Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the workbook and locating the sheet with the data you need. Make a quick backup because mistakes happen, save a copy. Once done, check the header row and file type since CSV imports differ from XLSX. Now go to the Data tab and launch Power Query or the Text Import Wizard. This puts you in extraction mode. You'll use these tools to filter, reshape, and load just the columns and rows you require, not the entire sheet. You now clean and transform the dataset in Power Query. First, remove empty rows and columns and trim whitespace so lookups work reliably. Next, split combined columns or parse dates, then set correct data types, numbers, dates, text, because Excel calculations depend on them. Apply filters to isolate records you want to extract, and use Group By or Pivot for aggregations when necessary. Once you finish each action, Power Query records it as a step, so you can repeat or adjust the process without redoing manual edits. You're ready to load the clean data back into Excel. Choose Load To and pick a table, new worksheet, or connection only if you'll use it elsewhere. Once loaded, use Refresh to pull updated source data while preserving your transformations. Make sure to save the workbook and the query for repeatability. If things go wrong, check common issues: mismatched data types, wrong delimiters for CSVs, or header rows misaligned with columns. Fix the step in Power Query.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.